Hello guys, welcome back to SES Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel, and I'm back with a very interesting review. So the tool that I'm going to review today is NeuronWriter, and you may have heard about it because this is a very popular SEO and content writing tool. In some simple words, NeuronWriter is a full package tool for SEO experts and even content writers. You can plan your content, you can get keyword ideas about your content, you can optimize your content, and even you can write your content on NeuronWriter. So as you can see, this is a super versatile platform, and just see on their website that on NeuronWriter you will get a content editor with NLP feature, and then there is the Google SERP analysis and even competition data. NeuronWriter also has a lot of features such as NLP based recommendations for your content, which means as you can see these are some of the keywords. So NeuronWriter provides keyword suggestions that should be used in your article. NeuronWriter also lets you build topical authority by its content ideas, which means if you are writing an article on a particular subject, it is going to cover all of the related subjects, so you can build topical authority. Then there are some other features such as it has advanced AI templates, which means it lets you write content, and for that it has a lot of templates. And I really like how NeuronWriter also lets you plan your content and tag all of your work, which means you can plan a content in advance, you can assign it to writers, and you can also tag it. So as you can see, this is a done tag and this publish tag. So by tagging a content, you can set the status of that. A great news is NeuronWriter is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So the regular pricing is $750, but at Appsumo you are getting this amazing deal only at $69. Keep in mind, NeuronWriter already has been on Appsumo for one time, and this is the second time that NeuronWriter has once again appeared on this platform. So it is not going to stay on Appsumo for very long. So if you want to buy this, make sure you hurry. You will get the link in the description of this video. NeuronWriter is an alternative to Frase and Surfer SEO. And now let's see all the features that are available with the Appsumo deal of NeuronWriter. So there are 20 templates for content writing. Templates are run by GPT engines and ChatGPT, and you should also know you can even use GPT-4 engine to write your content from NeuronWriter, which is amazing. There is SERP analysis, content outline, internal link suggestions, and so many other features. And these are the packages that are available on Appsumo. The single one costs $69, double costs $138, multiple costs $207. There are some other codes. The highest code is 7 code. It costs $483. NeuronWriter is also available on a subscription plan. The bronze plan costs $19 per month, silver costs $37, gold $57, platinum $77, and diamond $97. After you log into NeuronWriter, you will get the project page. From there you have to create a project, and then you have to enter that project, and then you will get this page. So this is the content writer section. From here you can click on new query, and this is where you have to type in your keyword, exactly the keyword that you want to rank for. For example, my target keyword is how to clean a car, and then you have to choose the search engine and the language, then click on start. As you can see, the query has been added and it is currently loading, so it takes some time to fully load after performing the competitor analysis. So the query has been fully loaded. Now let's click on it. So now we are in the competitor selection page. You can see there are currently 30 competitors, and these are all of my competitors based on this how to clean a car keyword. So NeuronWriter is going to give you all the NLP recommendations and other suggestions based on these competitors, so you can select all 30, but I always recommend selecting the top 10 because since they are in the top 10 ranks on Google, they must be doing something good. So let's choose these 10 competitors and then click on update competitors. So as you can see, now we are in the content editor. On this box you can type your content or you can paste your content, and then you can format your content. From this section you can add images, you can even add tables, and you can see all of your characters in your content, the headlines, and the number of images and videos. And this is the readability score of your content. So as you can see, among the top 10 competitors, the average readability score score is 47, and among the top 30 competitors the readability score is 40. You can also see how many keywords your competitors are using. Top 10 are using 1700 words on average, and the same goes for top 30 as well. So you must write at least 1731 words in order to be in the same level as your competitors. As you can see, this is the recommendation by NeuronWriter. And then you can also save your content, load revision, check for plagiarism, export or copy content, and there are some other features. So this is the content editor. There is another editor which is meta. So from here you can add your meta title as well as your meta description, and you can also see your meta title and descriptions in the Google snippet preview in this NeuronWriter dashboard. So this is the PC view and this is the mobile view. So let's go back to the content editor, and on the right side you can see competitors base score is 69. So this is the score given by NeuronWriter, and out of your 10 competitors the highest score was 69. So you have to beat this score, or at least you have to come close to get good ranks on Google, and currently my score is 0. So how to increase this score? For that you can click on this icon, and as you can see this is the full breakdown of your content score. So you have to use the main keyword in meta title, description, h1 header, h2 header. You will also have to use the suggested terms which I am going to show, and then you have to make sure you have proper length, proper readability, and there is no keyword stuffing. So by doing this you can increase the score. But after using NeuronWriter I have noticed that you can gain the highest score if you use these keywords perfectly. So these are the basic keywords and you must use them, all of them. And then there are some extended keywords. As you can see, these are the extended keywords. You can also use all of them, but it is up to you. So these basic and extended keywords are the ones that you should use on your article. And then there are some other keywords which are header keywords. So these are the keywords that you should use on your h1 term, and these are the ones that you should be using on your h2s. This score on NeuronWriter is also determined by the meta title and description. So as you can see, there are some keyword suggestions on the meta title as well as meta descriptions. So you must use them properly, and this way you can also increase your content score. So let me just randomly paste all of these keywords and let me demonstrate how the score increases. So I'm going to paste this one and then this one and also this one. So as you can see, after using all of those 3 keywords, my content score has jumped from 0 to 16, which is a lot. So I hope you have got a clear idea on how to increase the score. You need to use these keywords on title, description, and then on your content you have to use these keywords, and on your headers you have to use these keywords, and by using them properly you can increase the score of your content and also increase the chance to rank better on Google. There are some other sections on NeuronWriter other than this content editor. You can find them on this top section. So the second one is top analysis. From here you can get a comprehensive analysis of your competitors. This is my keyword, how to clean a car, and these are all the competitors. So the first competitors has a content score, and this is based on NeuronWriter. So they have achieved 55. You can also see their page authority, domain authority, most rank, and some other parameters by clicking on update. You can also see their content length, word count, and language. And in this top analysis section you will also find some other subsections such as competitor structure, which means you can see what types of h2s and h3s and h1s your competitors are using. So the number ones are using these headlines, number 2 are using these headlines. So this is really helpful when you want to create content based on your competitors. And if you want to see in more details, you can scroll to schema, explorer, title, description, h1 headers, and others. You can also see the competitors breakdown. You can also see the SERP layout, related keywords, and content terms. Then there are some other sections such as internal link suggestions, and then content ideas, search console. So this is the open search console API, which is a really good feature. And then there is also the comment section. So you can add different team members from this team section, and if anyone wants to drop a comment they can do it from here. So let's go back back to the content editor. Now let's talk a bit about the content writing abilities or capabilities of NeuronWriter, how it can help you to write better content. Obviously you can use these keywords and your content is going to be more rich and more acceptable to Google, but there is a really helpful section that has to be my favorite on NeuronWriter. For that you have to click on this create article draft. So from here you can create a draft of your article with some outlines or some headlines, and all of them are recommended on the right side from your competitors. So as you can see, these are the headlines or questions that your competitors are using, and you can simply add it to your content layout by clicking on add. You can also see all of the questions that are available on your competitors articles, and you just have to click on add and they will be added in this article layout. So once you have your article layout ready, you can simply click on copy draft to editor and it will be copied to this content editor. You can also get ideas about your content from this idea section. So you can see the competitors questions, H1, H2, H3s and some YouTube videos about your content. And now is the time to show you the AI writing capabilities of NeuronWriter. For that, click on this AI writing. And before I open this AI writing, let's copy my keyword. Now let's click on open AI writing. And these are some of the templates that are available currently on NeuronWriter. So to write a blog or article, the first thing we want is an outline. For that, click on this and then let's paste our keyword. Now let's generate an outline. As you can see, NeuronWriter has generated an outline, and let's copy it to editor. As you can see, it is now on the editor. So after writing an outline, the next thing you want to do is write paragraphs according to your headlines. So let's copy this first headline, which is importance of keeping a car clean, and then let's try to write it through the AI writer of NeuronWriter. And for that I have to choose this paragraph and let's paste this heading in here. You can add some terms or keywords, related keywords according to your heading. You can also add some bullet points, and the AI writer is going to write your bullet points as paragraphs. And then let's click on generate, and as you can see, the paragraph generator has generated a quite good paragraph based on our keyword or the heading. And remember how I talked about that you can even use GPT-4, which is the latest model of OpenAI. So NeuronWriter even has that available. For that you have to click on the settings, and then as you can see, there are three models. So the GPT 3.5, Text, DaVinci, and obviously the GPT-4. So let's select it and click on generate. So now I will get a content or paragraph based on the GPT-4 model. So the GPT-4 model has also generated a paragraph based on importance of keeping a car clean, and if you read it properly you will notice that it is way better than the previous one. So let's copy it to editor, and as you can see, the content is now on our editor. So this way you can write a whole content by using different templates of NeuronWriter. There are also some other options on top of the dashboard of NeuronWriter. So from here you can plan your content. You can also manage your content creation process. So let me show you that. So as you can see, this is a calendar, and using this calendar you can manage your content creation process. And now let's see the plan content. So from here you can plan your content with new ideas by clicking on here. So as you can see, I already have planned a content which is how to clean a car. So I can assign it to someone on my team. I can also set the expected date where I'm going to get the delivery, and if any of my team members wants to write, he can do that from this right section. So overall, NeuronWriter is an excellent tool, and to be honest, for a content writer or even for a SEO specialist, I don't think you can ask anything else, because NeuronWriter has everything. It will show you the keywords, the amount of words you should use, the readability you should have. You can also create a comprehensive draft based on your competitors. You can even write content through the AI content writer, and there are so many other SEO features such as internal link suggestions, content structure, content analysis, and so on. So overall, I think NeuronWriter has to be one of the best tools that I have ever reviewed. And if you want to buy this amazing tool, make sure you check the link in the description, and let's see the features that you will get from NeuronWriter. So they are here, and there are some codes that you can buy, the single code, double code, multiple codes. There are overall 7 codes. So that's it for our today's video. Let me know what you think about NeuronWriter. For me, it has to be one of the best tools for content writers and SEO experts alike. If you have any particular video request, drop that in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.